The answer is C. 물. A, B, and D are animals, but 물 means water. The answer is D. 간호사. 간호사 means nurse. The answer is B. green onion. 배 has 3 meanings: per, ship, and stomach. The answer is A. 좋아요. And 좋아요 means be good. So, the weather is so nice. 날씨가 너무 좋아요. The answer is A. 평원. The answer is C. 화장하다. The answer is D. 조금. A, B, and C means very. The answer is A. 쌀. You might think that the answer is pop, but no, it's 쌀. 쌀 means uncooked rice, but pop is cooked rice. The answer is C. 교회. The answer is A. 저는. 저 means I in formal way. When we introduce ourselves, we must use 은, 는 grammar. The answer is B. 시간. In this conversation, A says 언제 와요? means when are you coming? And B says 6시까지 갈게요 means I'll be there until 6 o'clock. So, they are talking about time or 시간. The answer is B. 이 나무는 너무 예뻐요. The answer is D. 시작하다. The answer is B. 항상. 항상 means always. The answer is A. 맵다, 맵다.